I really think that fried rice is one of the easiest meals to make, and I'm going to show you how in a few steps. Alright, so the first step is to get your stock ready, and there is no real formula here. Okay, just use your protein of choice and add whatever aroma of choice in the stock. So right here I'm going with some turkey, and to enhance the flavor I blended some onion, garlic, ginger, white pepper and leeks, and I added it here. And once it's boiled, I'm going to set my turkey aside that I can either fry or broil or just eat it like that with the rice. And with the stock, I'm gonna use it for the next step. So this is the stock that I have, and as you can see, it looks very rich. So I'm just gonna take away my turkey and set it aside on this tray that I'm just gonna quickly air fry. But you can already eat the turkey like this, but I just like to air fry to give it a little bit of color. Alright, so the next step is to prepare your rice. So you can make fried rice with white rice, but boiling your rice with some stock just enhances the flavor by a lot. And there are not too many rules in my cookbook, so feel free to use whatever rice of your choice, and you boil it with the stock. So my rice is cooked. Ooh, look at that. And it looks like this. You see, with the stock it looks very rich and flavorful. I'm going to set that aside and start assembling my fried rice. So when my pan is hot, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, then my beat eggs with salt, pepper, garlic powder. So when the eggs are ready, I set them aside. Add a little bit more oil. Then I'm going to saute some onions with a pinch of salt. Then you are going to add all the veggies of your choice, okay? Here I went with some frozen mixed veggies, but you can feel free to add any veggie of your choice, even broccoli, just feel free. So as you can see, it's beginning to look very colorful. I turn the heat of the pan very high, just so that it can stir fry at a high heat for just about 2 minutes max. And I always like to season at every stage so that every ingredient has some flavor in it. Alright, so after stir frying at high heat for like 2 minutes max, I'm going to cut the heat down, and I'm going to start adding my cooked rice to the veggies and mixing it together. Alright, so at this point we're almost done, and I'm just going to add some red and orange bell peppers that I like to add at the end so that they can stay crunchy. And I'm also going to add my fried egg. And there you have it, guys. Quick and easy fried rice.